Hello YouTube, and welcome to Car Guy Corner. Today we're going to be working on the GT40 intakes and get them ready to get put in the car. As you can see here, I have two GT40 Ford Explorer intakes. The upper plenum for that one is up there, but we're going to use this red one because I don't know if you can see, but it's already been tapped or drilled and tapped, while this one hasn't. So we're going to clean up this intake and we're going to pull out the 30-pound injectors. We're going to clean it all up, repaint it, get it all ready to go in the car with the new not the GT40 heads, another set of heads that I have. Also going to use these 19-pound injectors because they got 4 holes to inject the fuel instead of the injectors that are in my car now. So we're going to clean these up, get the injector swapped over, painted, and see how it turns out. Well, as you can see, we got the 19-pound injectors out. Took a little bit of WD-40 and a little bit of wiggling back and forth because they were in there pretty good. But we got the injectors out. Gonna have to get a new seal kit for them since the seals are all dried up and crusty. And then we got the GT40 intake that I'm going to be using all taken apart. Took the 30 pounds out. That was a little bit easier. They're an older style injector, but they'll work if maybe for something later. So now I got to clean up the intake, then I can repaint it, and then just clean up the upper plenum and paint it also. So that's what I'll be doing next. Cleaning it up and making it look good. Well, as you can see, we're all painted now. Turned out pretty good. So, till next video, don't forget to keep it between the ditches.